This is how you make the easiest and most delicious homemade bread, which requires absolutely no kneading and only 3 ingredients. Start off by getting yourself a mixing bowl, and then we're going to add in 440 grams or 3 cups of bread flour to a bowl. Next, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of cooking salt, and then we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of instant or fast action yeast. Now give all of those dry ingredients a quick mix to ensure it's fully incorporated. Now we're going to add 330 milliliters or 1.5 cups of very warm water, and when I say very warm, I do not mean boiling. Just add hot water from the tap and you should be able to hold your finger in the water without any discomfort. Mix in the water with the dry ingredients until there is no visible flour. Once you're done mixing, this is what you're looking for. It should be a sticky consistency, not too wet and not too dry. Now cover the bowl with a tea towel and let proof for 1 to 2 hours. You'll know it's ready when it's doubled in size, has lots of air holes over the top, and it's wobbly like jelly. Now that the dough is ready, preheat your fan oven to 230 degrees Celsius or 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And then remove the dough from the sides of the bowl using a spoon or a fork, and then grab yourself a handful of flour and flour your surface well. Then place the dough on top of the flour, and what we're going to do is fold it 4 times from each side like so, and then just tuck it and turn it underneath to create a ball-like shape. And then using the bowl you mix your dough in, place it over the top of your shaped dough and let it proof for a further 15 minutes. Now grab yourself an oven-proof pot. This can be a Dutch oven or a stainless steel pot like I'm using here, and then place it into the preheated oven for 15 minutes to heat up. Now grab yourself some baking paper and place the dough on top, and if you'd like to score the dough, this is your time to do so. Now place your dough into the heated pot and then place into the oven for 30 minutes with the lid on. Then after 30 minutes, take the lid off and cook for a further 10 minutes or until beautifully golden brown. Place onto a cooling rack for 15 minutes, and then that's it.